Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to do an oil change on an Infiniti G37 Sedan. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including a new oil filter, a wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of fresh engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, as specified for your G37. Safety first. Always work on a level surface and consider using jack stands. Once your G37 is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old, dirty engine oil to drain completely into the pan. This process can take several minutes, so be patient. Once drained, clean the area and replace the drain plug with a new crush washer. Now, locate and remove the old oil filter. It might be a bit messy, so have a rag ready. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Finally, pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the engine's fill port. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly at a local recycling center. Also, for more great tips, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.